If you are frustrated, congratulations, you're on the right track. Yes, see, there are two kinds of frustrations. One kind of person is frustrated because they don't know what is that they want in life, and whatever is happening in their life, they don't like it and they don't know what to do about it. I'm not talking about that kind of frustration. I'm talking about that kind of frustration where you know what is that you want in life and you know why you want it, and also you are taking action on that. But you're putting in a lot of hard efforts, but you're not getting the desired result. Either it is very slow or you're not getting result, and that's why you're frustrated. Friends, hold on. If this is the kind of frustration that you have, don't worry. When I'm in with you, right? That's okay. Hold on. Don't give up, because frustration is the price that we need to give in the path of progress. Breakthrough is going to happen. Don't consider this as a motivation video, because this has happened in my life. That's why I'm telling. If you're frustrated because your hard work is not paying enough, the only thing is improve in the process, upskill yourself, show up consistently. Breakthrough is going to happen. Because friends, let me tell you something. Let me tell that a person who works for 5 minutes the first day, then he will be getting 1 crore rupees. Let's say that, okay? How many people will walk, friends? Maybe if there are 100 people, and if they are not physically handicapped or something, then all 100, there are very high chances all 100 will walk the first day for 5 minutes, because they'll get 1 crore. Now I'll tell it for 1 week continuously who will walk. What do you think, out of 100 people, how many people can remain consistent for just 1 week? I bet you, even though the price is very high, 1 crore, there will be less than 40% of the people who will do it consistently, just 5 minutes of walking for a week. Now, let me increase that 1 week to 1 month. How many people you think would be doing it? Less than 10, friends. Even 10 is a very big number, I'm telling you. Less than 5. That's all, friends. So the problem is not money, or the problem is not rewards or price. The problem is people lose their emotional connection with their goals. People forget why they want, right? When they go to motivation sessions, when they hear some motivational thing, 1 or 2 days they'll be pumped up and again back to square. Because distractions are very consistent. Obstacles are very consistent. Whereas our ability to overcome obstacles is very few or very less or hardly anything. So it's very important to make sure that we show up every single day. 30 minutes for 90 days is better than 10 hours for 2-3 days, right? It's okay if somebody can achieve in his 30 years of age. If he can achieve it in 35, 40, 50 years of age, it's still okay, but achieve it. Don't go to your graveyard with your dreams still on. Don't take your dreams with you to your graveyard, friends. Anyway, you're going to die, right? Is that sure? Are you going to argue with me telling that no, that you're not going to die? Anyway, you're going to die. Then why can't you live the way you want? Why can't you give 30 minutes of your time every single day? I know people say 30 minutes is easy, but how many of us are ready to do it, friends? 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes should be the same slot. Don't do it first day in morning and second day in evening. Then you will become inconsistent, right? Do it in the same time, right? Morning 6 to 6:30, or morning 10 to 10:30, or evening 5 to 5:30, or night 9 to 9:30, whatever it is. I don't know. But it should be the same 30-minute slot. Just one goal. Don't work on too many goals, right? Again, it's a trap, okay? So I'm going to make a video on why too many goals is a trap, right? It has helped a lot of my mentees. So have just one goal, 30 minutes for the next 1 week. Do it just for 1 week. I'm not saying 30 days challenge or something. Just for 1 week, and see how 30 minutes for 7 days, which is like 3 7s are 21, 210 minutes, right? Which is like 3.5 hours. That will give you significant amount of progress towards your goals. And then you're going to convince your own mind that 30 minutes every day for the next 1 year or 6 months or whatever is your goal, definitely the probability of you achieving it is very high, because you're consistent, friends. Fine? Stay consistent. 30 minutes every day, same slot. And I have given the book link of how to become a genius level goal finisher in the description below. Please buy it. You can finish it in less than a week. And then subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And please don't forget to join my Telegram group, okay? See you in the next video. Bye.